just bought this bundle sets from Costco. The cost is about $3.99 plus tax. I'm a Nintendo fan, so when I thinking about to purchase the new game, I was thinking about PS5 or Xbox, but finally I decided to purchase the Nintendo because I had Game Boy, DS, Wii, so I think I'm very familiar with these game sets. So the Costco Nintendo sets, it include lots of things that I don't need to worry about to purchase. One is the cover screen protection sheet, and there's a travel box, and additional there's like 128 gigabytes the mini SIM card, and also there's a free family plan which include 1 year like playing online. But actually I tested the 7 days trial. The only thing we can play is like online playing, and there's some very old game, but the solution is not that good, which includes some old Game Boy games. And I have tried some software. I purchased the one Just Dance and Sports, and borrow the like Switch 1 2 Mario Party from the library and the testing, but that's not as good as the one I had on Wii. But